Yo, what's up, boys? The car parking multiplayer developers have finally decided to drop an update with the 2 mystery cars. But before we jump in and check them out, I'd like to give a shout out to these awesome channel subscribers. These guys always tune in for the videos. If you also want a shout out on my future videos, then make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment shout out. All right, boys. So the 2 cars they've added is an electric Audi and a Toyota Land Cruiser. I'm not really sure which exact model this is, but I've already made this cool logo, just because I wanted to be the first person in CPM to have a logo on this car. This Audi have got an alien kind of look, which I think they tried to copy from BMW. The devs have made a pretty simple engine, which looks exactly like a BMW engine. I think this might be one of the first cars to have a touchscreen on the doors. And to add on that, it might also have one of the most detailed interiors we've had. This new Audi costs 1,000 coins and also supports the W16 engine. But Daddy Dasa, what about the body kits? This car is packing about 10 different spoilers, but the last one is bugged, so make it 9. With that being said, it only has 2 different front and rear bumpers, and the back one kind of looks like a Polo sedan. Or is it the other way around? I don't know. Anyways, we now have an option to decide if we want to make the car grills black or silver. At the moment, we can only do this to this Audi, but hopefully we can get this option on some more cars. On the patch notes, the devs also said that they've done some optimization to the game. But to be honest, the game still runs the same way it used to on my device. This could be because the optimization was for lower-end devices, or maybe because the game is still in beta. Let's hope for the best. The other mystery car that have been added, the Toyota Land Cruiser, comes with 215 horsepowers and goes for $1.6 million. To my surprise, this car also supports the W16 engine.
Nice.
Driving this car around is pretty fun. It has realistic suspension traction. It's also got some opening doors, boot, and a hood, with an interior that is made of leather material and got really good sunlight exposure. Another thing I noticed about this car is that the engine design is very detailed. It almost looks like real life. Now, one of the things I forgot to mention on my last video about this new update is that we've got some new parked car statues. At the moment, these are only on the desert, and we've already got all these cars in the game except for this one. So for those of you guys who don't know, this is a Volkswagen Polo TSI. We've been asking the developers to add this car in the game for basically forever, and it wouldn't make any sense for them to add it now as a statue when all the other statues are cars that already exist in the game. My guess is that they're probably going to add this car on the game on the next update. On top of that, we've got a new car wash with detailed animations and mechanics. I think this looks really cool and definitely puts CPM up there on top compared to the other open world games. The new Toyota Land Cruiser have quite some cool off-road body kits. All of them cost coins, but they're not really expensive. I think this entire update might have been the best we've had in a while. It's definitely not perfect, there's a lot of bugs and stuff, but compared to the last 5 or 4 updates, this one is definitely better. By the way, boys, if you're still watching, comment W so I know who the real channel supporters are.
W's in the shot.
And last but not least, the OG Mazda Miata got a convertible soft top.